Okay, we're going to take you through a menagerie. There was a hound dog there, but it's gone now, so I'm gonna keep going. Coming up next are goats. Coming up next are goats. Come on, goats. Oh no. There they are. They're not as close to the fence as they were. We turned around and, hold on a sec. I don't know if y'all can see them goats. There goats. But there's goats there. There's some goats. There's the little dogs down, or piggies. See those little piggies? Those little piggies down in the creek. You might not have seen them. I barely saw them. Now you got some horses. Horses, horses, horses. This is a cool little area. Something farm. Dizenbach Farms. Horses, horses, horses. I wonder if you can go in there. I wonder if that's a thing. I don't see any way. I think this is just somebody's property, to be honest with you. Oh, look at little mini horses, or whatever you call it. You see that mini horse? Pony? Something. One of those. He's just sitting there. He's all by himself. He's the only little mini horse I see. There's a cow. There's a cow back there. Okay, you can't see through all this forest. Not forest, but trees. There's a cow. He's looking at me. I see him looking at me. And I think, what is it? What are they called? I always get them confused. Ostrich, emu, and alpacas, I get confused. They're alpacas, he says. I don't know. I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But we're coming up on some alpacas here in a minute. Yeah, this person's got a nice little farm situation set up here. Or these people. There we go. There's the alpacas. I hope you guys can see those. There's a pig. There's a pig and a little bitty baby pig. Do y'all see that little baby pig? Hi, pig. Hey, pig. Oh, look at him coming to me. Hi, pig. Hi. Hi, darling. You look like you need to be brushed. You look like you need to be brushed. Poor baby. Ooh, look at us looking proud. Look at that one looking proud of itself. There is an emu on the left. My husband's whispering to me to tell me the difference. Look at that one. Look at that one under that tree in that shade looking all proud. Hi, dear. Hey, dear. Dogwood Farm. Free range beef, chicken, eggs for sale. Hi. Hi there. You gonna come spit on me? You gonna come spit on me? Okay, we think that's it, but it looks like you maybe can go in there.